Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about ways to automate your application process on freelancer platforms. I will show you a Chrome extension. I coded to make this process much easier. As you may know, it's quite repetitive to answer the same questions over and over again. But since you're competing with other freelancers, you can't skip this step. So providing relevant information quickly is key to getting through the selection process. You also want to respond as soon as a job offer is published to maximize your chances of being considered. At this point, platform staff are mainly trying to filter out candidates. The first step was to build a Chrome extension that can fetch my profile from the freelancer platform. And then we anonymize this profile and send it along with a job offer and the question to a generative AI API endpoint. Now I will show you the kind of draft answers we get from this process. So the first thing to do is to click on the apply button. So I have a first question to answer. We have some quick help section here. That's exactly what I was saying. And now we have the first question. Can you explain how to use Python in your projects for data engineering? So instead of spending time writing stuff for you, this job offer is interrupting the day. You are currently coding and you want to go back coding as soon as possible. So I'm gonna click on generate here to generate a first reply, and let's see what's it's gonna be. So it's quite quick. Here it's in French, but I can already see that it's pretty relevant. We have various tools which were mentioned in the job offer, and all these tools are introduced in a specific context. So we have another question here regarding SQL queries and Spark. Again, pretty normal stuff for this kind of job offer. So here I can already see that there is a small error. So I don't pass is my freelance name. So I'm gonna check the rest of the reply. The rest of the reply seems good to me. I'm gonna just remove this part, which is not true. And I'm gonna hit next. The next question is about concrete example of how you use data build tool. Here again, I'm gonna read quickly. Just for the sake of the demos, I'm not gonna spend too much time on it. I'm gonna hit next. And here is often a question if you are really tired to have answered all the previous questions, or sometimes you're gonna skip it, but it's an open-ended question, so it's an opportunity to shine for you. Here again, pretty happy with the answer, and the last question shows that you are very interested in the job offer, since you are mentioning something which was lacking in the job offer. Reading quickly against the job offer to see if we have missed something. I guess this is pretty good. So I'm gonna send my application for the job. And that's it. So something you could have easily spent 30 minutes. Now it's just a matter of a few clicks, 5 minutes to be done, and you can go back coding, which is what is really interesting for you. But again, if you don't apply, you don't get jobs. So you have to spend some time on it, and well, feel free to comment this video if you would like to see use cases of GenAI with your daily tasks. I will happily share other videos.